I'm really happy to announce that the Illustrator's Guide book is out today. It combines all the knowledge I've learned from working as an agent at Folio Art, all the experience my mentor Nick has imparted from his 50 plus years working in illustration. It also has all the ideas I've soaked up from books and podcasts about creativity, productivity, business, freelancing, marketing and finance, all reframed and applied to the illustration business. There's a lot in here that I've learned from my long list of failures too, including trying to be a freelance illustrator myself and doing pretty much everything wrong 15 years ago. But most importantly, there's everything I've learned from the amazing professional illustrators I work with every day. This is the most in-depth book on starting an illustration career out there. There's plenty of other great ones, and I recommend many of them in this book, but if you want to start your career in freelance illustration, this book is for you, and it will be your companion all the way from beginner to professional. I worked with my colleague and friend Michael Parkin on the interior illustrations, and a great book cover designer, Tom Etherington. Some of my email subscribers voted on the cover design options, which was really fun, getting to see what people liked. I've planned each chapter in a logical order of progression, starting with developing the right mindset. It's about committing to the craft and learning new skills. Chapter 2 is about some of the common challenges illustrators might face, like not feeling like you're good enough, fear of failure, confidence, competition and talent, and how to deal with those things. Chapter 3 is about what you need to start up your freelance illustration career and what you don't need. There's some time management and productivity tips in here too. Chapter 4 is all about developing a portfolio that will get you hired as quickly as possible. We've got chapters on developing good creative habits and maintaining them long term, goal setting and inspiration, the importance of deliberate practice and how you can get better faster. There's a whole chapter dedicated to getting feedback on your work, and chapters 8 and 9 are all about clients, how to find them, how to impress them, and how to work with them effectively and get them to hire you again and again. There's a chapter all about briefs and a chapter on managing your money, also a chapter with some general freelance business skills. We've got a chapter all about pricing your work and negotiating. There's a lot of good stuff in there. Then we move on to some legal matters, licensing and contracts, etc. And finally, agents and agencies. There's also a big long list of resources in the back of the book, which you can also find on my website. I'll put a link below. And that's it. Now the book is done and I've got some free time again, make sure you subscribe to the channel because my head is swimming with ideas for new videos, and I'll be back here very soon. The Illustrator's Guide is available from Amazon around the world, and it's on Kindle too. You can buy it from Waterstones in the UK, and it should be available online pretty much anywhere. I've put some links below so you can order your copy. And if you've ever got any value from this channel, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a review for the book wherever you buy it from. That would really help me out big time and help other illustrators see if this is the right book for them. If you'd have told me a few years ago that I was going to write a book, I would have laughed in your face for 10 whole minutes. But I did it, and I can't wait to see what you think. See you soon.